Alright, so today I'm going to be talking about WhatsApp and their security. WhatsApp is an international messaging app that is supported by Android and iOS, so it's pretty widely available to anybody. It's free to download, and the user interface is easy to navigate. It's easy to understand. The app allows for a wide variety of communication styles, including messaging, video conferencing, phone calls, regular phone calls, pictures. You can send pictures through the app and communicate through group chats. It runs on Wi-Fi and your data plan if you aren't able to connect to Wi-Fi. It has the ability to import your phone contacts, so you don't have to search for individual people. You can just look it up by phone, and you can back up your message history to a Google Drive account if you have a Gmail account. Some of the security flaws are its computer application version. There's a lot of fake versions out there where people are logging in and thinking that they're logging into the real application, but it's not. And so that's been causing a lot of issues for users. It also collects metadata. Some of the information that it collects automatically is your usage and log information, transactional information, connection information with your device, and then it can also collect your messages and your contacts and things like that. It also shares information with Facebook. So WhatsApp is owned by Facebook, and the privacy agreements with Facebook, it's a different version for WhatsApp, but there is data sharing between those. Also, there with the ability to back up your message history, while the app is encrypted, so those messages are safe. The backup is not. If depending on where you back it up. There was an incident recently with a program, a spyware program called Pegasus, and it was added to a large number of smartphones because of a vulnerability in WhatsApp security. The hackers stole contact lists, GPS locations, passwords, and the Pegasus spyware program was invented or created by a Israeli technology group called NSO, but hackers got a hold of it. And how it happened was they just called someone's WhatsApp application, and the user didn't have to interact with the phone call or anything, but because the call was initiated, the program was uploaded to their smartphone. It was used to track human rights activists and lawyers, but a wide range of people got affected by the vulnerability. And that's just one recent example of the security flaws for WhatsApp. These are the references, the articles that I referenced to create this video.